Text messages sent by Rebekah Vardy in the wake of Coleen Rooney accusing her of selling stories about her have been read out in court. The pair's case was in the High Court on Tuesday, after Rooney famously shared a post in October 2019 claiming Vardy had been selling stories about her to the press, dubbing the saga to be named Agatha Christie. Vardy has always denied the leak was down to her and is suing Rooney for libel. A series of texts from Vardy to her agent Caroline Watt were read out in court, with her writing, "That C***T needs to get over herself." In another message, Vardy called Rooney a nasty B*******H, such a D****K, and declared war on the mother of four. After Rooney's post, in which she claimed she had planted the seeds for fake stories on her private Instagram and restricted viewing to just Vardy's account, Vardy told her agent, "That's war." Rooney's lawyers previously claimed that Vardy had leaked information to The Sun either directly or through Watt, acting on her instruction or with her knowing approval. Rooney's barrister David Sherborne said, "From the outset, Mrs. Vardy has always claimed that neither she nor Ms. Watt were involved in the leaking of private information from Mrs. Rooney's Instagram account. The recent disclosure has shown that this is emphatically not the case." According to Rooney's written case, messages between Vardy and Watt had discussed a story on Rooney's private Instagram in which a car had been damaged, with Vardy messaging Watt, "Would love to leak those stories X." Mr. Sherborne said Watt was later responsible for the story being leaked to the press, with Vardy's approval, which Rooney later tweeted about, saying it was sad someone was betraying her. According to written submissions, while discussing the tweet in a private WhatsApp conversation, Watt told Vardy, it wasn't someone she trusted. "It was me," along with a laughing emoji, which Mr. Sherborne argued, conspicuously elicits neither surprise, contradiction or criticism from Mrs. Vardy, who was plainly aware and approved of this leak. Mr. Sherborne said Rooney had brought a claim against Watt for misuse of private information, which Watt denies, and later claimed Vardy had animosity towards Rooney, which showed clear motivation for Mrs. Vardy to leak private information about Mrs. Rooney to the newspaper, with repeated bad-mouthing of her in a way which is clearly consistent with and linked to the desire to leak private information about her. Ian Helm, for Watt, said the post about Rooney's car was not just viewed by Vardy's account, adding that the incident had also taken place in public. He told the court, "It is difficult to see how there could be said to be any reasonable expectation of privacy in relation to such information." Lawyers for Rooney applied for further information at Tuesday's hearing, including from Watt and Vardy's messages. Hugh Tomlinson QC, for Vardy, said the denied allegations have caused her huge damage and distress, adding that the information and messages disclosed provides no evidence that the claimant leaked the 3 fake posts. He added that Rooney relies upon selective and incomplete WhatsApp exchanges, conveniently ignoring the messages which demonstrate beyond doubt that the claimant was not responsible for leaking the defendant's private information to The Sun. In further WhatsApp messages between her and Watt, Vardy suggested it may be Rooney's own PR leaking the stories, writing, "What a joke. All I've ever been is nice to her though. Even when Wayne was being a C***X.